Something happened in 2026 that nobody saw coming. Ray-Ban smart glasses, the pair that Meta spent millions developing to win the AI glasses race, suddenly weren't the most exciting option in the global rankings. The 5 glasses topping this list aren't from companies your neighbor has heard of, and that's exactly what makes them so damn good. The best one on this list scored so highly it is being considered the top wearable technology ever invented. This isn't about tiny upgrades, it's about a completely different generation of AI smart glasses. And I am curious, which one do you think won first place on this list? Everyone seems to think there's only one choice for premium AI smart glasses: Meta Ray-Ban. That's the brand on every tech headline, the one reviewers focus on, and the one you probably hear about most. But sometimes the real surprise comes from the product no one is really talking about. Meet the EarlySincere AI glasses. If you saw these on someone, you wouldn't even guess they're smart. They don't try to look futuristic or flashy. There's no clunky hardware, no awkward oversized frames, just a pair of sunglasses that actually look good. You'd probably wear them even if they didn't do anything except block the sun. And that's a bigger deal than people realize. The frame is slim and light, and the design is balanced enough that they don't pinch or weigh you down. But nice-looking glasses are just the start. If the tech isn't up to scratch, all that style won't save them. So does the technology actually deliver? Honestly, yes. The open-ear speakers immediately make a difference. You still hear your music, podcasts, phone calls, or that AI assistant's voice, but you also stay tuned in to the sounds around you. No more blocking out the world like you do with earbuds. The touch controls are another area where EarlySincere gets it right. No need to memorize a bunch of weird gestures. Just tap a few times to pause music, take a call, skip back or forward, or fire up your voice assistant. After a short learning curve, it becomes totally natural. You're changing tracks or asking for directions without even thinking about it. Now, the AI side is actually where things get interesting. With the companion app, you aren't locked into one assistant. You can talk to ChatGPT for general questions or switch to DeepSeek for a different kind of conversation. Depending on updates and where you live, you might see even more models show up. And if you don't even want the built-in AI, you can still use Siri on your iPhone or Google Assistant on your Android with a simple tap. Quickly set reminders, check the weather, get directions, or control your smart home without fishing through your pockets for your phone. Pretty soon, you get used to it. Quick questions, fast messages, playlist changes, all done hands-free. That habit builds fast. Battery life won't blow your mind, but it's solid, enough for a full day of music, calls, and some AI back and forth. Smart power management turns things off when you're not using them, so you're not always worrying about charging up. For years, whenever people talked about smart glasses, they always meant Meta, Ray-Bans, updates, and the latest breakthroughs. But while everyone fussed about specs and new features, Xiaomi quietly went off in its own direction. They didn't start with, "What else can we cram in?" They asked something you'd think every company would start with: why don't people actually wear smart glasses every day? That's the question nobody else really bothered to answer. First, the weight. At around 40 grams, Xiaomi's glasses are way lighter than most. That number might not wow you on paper, but after you've worn them for a few hours, the difference is huge. They feel balanced, they don't slide down your nose or squeeze your head. After a while, you forget you're even wearing them. And honestly, that's the whole idea. Then there's the camera. Xiaomi didn't stick a camera on the frames just for show. Instead, they gave you a real 12-megapixel shooter that records crisp 2K videos. The best part? There's no fiddling or poking through tiny menus. One press snaps a photo, hold it, and you're rolling video. You never have to unlock your phone or dive into an app. It just works, and it makes capturing moments almost automatic. Visual recognition is where things get cool. You look at something, ask what it is, and the glasses explain it back to you. It's great for travel, learning about landmarks, or even telling the difference between two plants on a hike. Audio's another place. Xiaomi nailed it. The open-ear speaker lets you hear music, calls, and AI responses without blocking outside noise. You stay aware of traffic, people, and anything important. Way better than feeling cut off from the world. Now, battery life. This is where Xiaomi really did their homework. They didn't chase after the beefiest hardware possible. They focused on efficiency, so you actually get a full day out of these things. And if you do run low, you can plug in a tiny power bank and keep wearing them. Simple, smart, and convenient. Their design deserves a shout, too. The frames look normal, like real glasses, not futuristic gadgets screaming for attention. You could wear them out, and nobody would give you a second glance. That alone makes a big difference in actually wanting to put them on every day. If you found a favorite already, there's still more to come because the next glasses take AI to another level. Most smart glasses out there seem to follow the same tired checklist. Shove in a camera, make the speakers louder, bump up the battery, and toss in a few extra AI tricks, hoping someone will care. But Halliday, they looked at all that, shrugged, and went in a totally different direction. Their idea was simple. What if the glasses didn't demand your attention all the time? They wanted AI to melt into the background, only popping up when you actually need it. So instead of building a gadget that tries to impress you every 5 minutes, Halliday aimed for something that felt like a regular pair of glasses. Wear them, forget about them, and when you need help, the glasses are ready. That changes just about everything. Look at the Halliday AI glasses, and there's really nothing flashy. No massive frames, no awkward camera bumps staring people down across the room, nothing that screams, "Look at me, I'm a robot." Just normal-looking glasses you'd wear anywhere, at work, in a coffee shop, or just strolling outside. You blend in. That's the point. But under that totally ordinary look, there's a lot going on. The most interesting bit is what Halliday calls their invisible display. Forget those AR headsets that plaster huge digital screens across your face. This thing uses a tiny, quiet display, one that only shows up when it needs to. You get notifications, reminders, translations, directions, and AI answers exactly when you want them, and it all fades away when you don't. The real world stays right in front of you. No distractions, no constant digital clutter. The AI assistant inside sticks to the same philosophy. You don't have to bark out voice commands every 2 seconds. Halliday actually tries to anticipate what you need, maybe surfacing a reminder before a meeting, flashing up helpful notes mid-conversation, quietly popping up directions when you start walking, or translating a foreign language the moment you hear it. All of this happens without the glasses butting in or slowing you down. They're actually assisting, not just interrupting. The translation feature is pretty impressive. Say you're in another country, talking with someone who doesn't speak your language. Instead of fumbling for your phone, the translated conversation floats right where you need it. It keeps things natural and smooth, not awkward and stilted. Live note-taking is another win. In meetings or lectures, Halliday helps organize your thoughts and plucks out important details as you go. You're not frantically scribbling notes or recording everything. It's more like having a discreet assistant who's keeping track. Battery life? Way better than most AI glasses, mainly because Halliday ditched all the power-hogging stuff. No big screens to drain energy, no chunky hardware. They just last longer. You wear them all day without stressing about charging up again by lunch. Same story with comfort. These aren't those heavy, lopsided smart glasses that hurt your nose after half an hour. The frame is light, and there's no oversized battery making everything tip forward. It actually feels normal to keep them on. Now, privacy's a big deal too. Most smart glasses build around a camera, which is fine until people start wondering if they're being recorded. Halliday skips that entirely. No camera, no flashing lights, no weird looks. People can relax around you. Nobody's worried they'll end up on video during a casual coffee chat. All these choices add up to a smart pair of glasses that doesn't try to replace your phone's camera or turn you into a wearable filmmaker. If taking photos or recording videos hands-free is your main thing, you're still better off with something like Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses. Halliday isn't trying to win that race, but that's why they're so interesting. Instead of sticking a camera on your face, Halliday designed a subtle AI companion, something that helps out from the sidelines and stays quiet the rest of the time. Honestly, maybe this is where smart glasses should have been going all along. While everyone else chased more features and fancier hardware, Halliday just asked one question. What if the best smart glasses are the ones you forget you're even wearing? If you want a taste of smart glasses that actually feel futuristic, without a camera anywhere in sight, Even Realities is the company to watch. While everyone else in the industry keeps trying to jam in more cameras, bigger speakers, extra sensors, and more ways to turn you into a walking surveillance system, Even Realities went the opposite way. No camera, no speakers, no chunky plastic frames threatening to engulf your face. Instead, they started with a simple question. What if smart glasses were about making you think better, not just seeing more? That, in essence, is the Even Realities G2. At first glance, you'd never guess these are smart glasses. They look and feel like high-end regular eyewear. Thin metal, sleek, nothing shouting tech. There's no camera staring people down on the bridge, no blinking lights or obvious hardware. That's deliberate. Meta's glasses? People spot them a mile away. Some folks don't mind, but a lot more don't want everyone around them wondering if they're being secretly recorded. With the G2, that whole problem just vanishes. They're just glasses. No one suspects a thing. But hit the power button, and you're in for a surprise. Inside those regular-looking lenses is a hidden MicroLED display that doesn't get in your way. It shows you only what you need, when you need it. Instead of fishing out your phone 100 times a day, the G2 quietly drops information. directions, reminders, translations, quick notes, even AI-generated responses right in front of your eyes, and the experience is uncannily natural. But the showstopper here is something called Conversate. Imagine sitting down in an important meeting. Suddenly, someone brings up a company you've only half heard about. Somebody else mentions a name you should know but don't. Usually that means pretending to remember or sneaking a look at your phone later. Conversate flips that around. As the conversation rolls on, the G2's AI keeps feeding you exactly what you need: names, context, key facts, useful reminders, all right there in your field of view. No searching, no interruptions, no breaking eye contact. It's less like Googling and more like having a brilliant assistant quietly giving you only the essentials, precisely when you need them. That same idea carries over into note-taking. With G2, you can stop frantically scribbling down every word in a meeting. Instead, it quietly cooks up an AI-generated summary when you're finished so you can focus on listening and being present. If you travel a lot, there's another trick the G2 pulls off. You get real-time translation, subtitles and all. When someone speaks another language, the translation just appears naturally as subtitles in your lenses. No awkward pauses, no shoving your phone at people. Conversations just flow. Public speaking? The G2 suddenly turns you into the calmest presenter in the room. With a built-in teleprompter, your script scrolls naturally while you keep eye contact with your audience. No cards, no looking at a monitor, just smooth delivery, line after line. You don't have to worry about them dying halfway through the day either. Battery life on the G2 stretches to 2 days on a single charge, and the case holds a few extra top-ups for good measure. That's enough to get through any normal routine with plenty to spare. Now, maybe the best part: absolute privacy. Most smart glasses record video at the drop of a hat, raising all sorts of concerns. G2 skips that drama entirely. No camera means nothing gets recorded, period. Strangers don't feel watched. Everything here is built for you, not for documenting people around you. It's a quiet, almost radical approach. The G2 isn't trying to be an action camera for your life, just a truly invisible productivity tool. And if you want to get fancy, there's even an R1 smart ring for gesture controls, so you tweak settings without touching your glasses at all. That's what makes the Even Reality's G2 stand out so much. It's not in a race with Meta for better photos. It isn't gunning to kill your phone's camera. It's aiming for something more important: decluttering your brain. Here's the truth. Most AI smart glasses follow the same playbook. You put them on and you can listen to music, take a call, ask the AI a quick question, maybe snap a photo or record a video. For most folks, that's all they want. That's a big reason why Meta's Ray-Bans are everywhere these days. But the RayNeo X3 Pro isn't interested in being just another pair of smart sunglasses. They're trying to leap ahead, by a lot. RayNeo's big idea: glasses shouldn't just listen and answer. They should see the world, understand what's happening, and put genuinely useful info right in front of your eyes. That vision is why the X3 Pro doesn't just stand out. It feels almost like it's time-traveled from a few years in the future. The display is the first thing that really sets the X3 Pro apart. Instead of talking to you through tiny speakers, the X3 Pro uses a MicroLED waveguide display to quietly project stuff right into your line of sight. Maps, live translations, incoming texts, AI answers to your random questions. All of it pops up right in front of you so you can keep doing your thing without grabbing your phone. Glancing at a notification is no big deal. You don't have to fish your phone out every time something pings. Everything feels quicker and far less distracting. But the glasses aren't just about flashy visuals. The real magic comes from the AI. RayNeo packed the X3 Pro with Google's Gemini AI, which makes talking to them feel, well, less robotic. You can fire off complex questions, ask for summaries, search stuff, or get AI help with daily tasks, all using normal conversational language. You don't feel like you're talking to a voice assistant. It's more like chatting with someone who actually gets what you mean. The translation feature is where these glasses really shine. Travel is tough when you're wrestling with translation apps. The X3 Pro slices through that hassle. It listens, translates spoken conversations, and puts the results right there on the lens. No more awkward pauses. You switch from fumbling with your phone to talking like you belong. Tourists, traveling professionals, people who work with global teams, once you try it, you don't want to give it up. The display needs a moment in the spotlight too. Thanks to RayNeo's own optical engine, what you see stays bright even outside, something most previous smart glasses really struggled with. Text is easy to read, colors pop, and you're not squinting anytime you head out for a walk. Despite how much tech is crammed in, the X3 Pro is still wearable for a full day. The frame feels balanced. Sure, they're not as anonymous as standard sunglasses, but they're not chunky or awkward either. Most people are surprised when they actually see them up close. RayNeo X3 Pro apart isn't just any single trick, it's how smoothly everything works together. Right now, most companies are still trying to nail down the basics of AI glasses. RayNeo's already showing us what tomorrow can look like. And if this is the path AI wearables are taking, we're going to meet the future a whole lot sooner than we thought. From smarter AI assistants and longer battery life to invisible displays and real-time translation, every company on this list is taking a different approach to the future of wearable technology. The real question isn't whether AI glasses will become mainstream, it's which company will define the next generation. One thing is certain, this race is only just getting started.